Hey everyone, welcome back to our QuickBooks tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send ACH payments in QuickBooks Desktop for 2025. If you're a small business owner or accountant, ACH payments can save you time and money by allowing direct bank transfers without the hassle of checks or wires. Let's get right into it. First off, what's an ACH payment? It's an electronic funds transfer that moves money between bank accounts in the US. It's secure, fast, and often cheaper than other methods. In QuickBooks Desktop, sending ACH payments is straightforward once you set it up. Before we start, make sure you have QuickBooks Desktop installed and updated to the 2025 version. You'll also need your bank account linked and the necessary permissions for electronic payments. Okay, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and log in to your company file. Navigate to the Banking menu and select Write Checks, or go to Banking, Online Banking, Send Payments, depending on your setup. Step 2. If you haven't already, set up your bank account for ACH. Go to Edit, Preferences, Checking, and ensure your account is configured for electronic transfers. You might need to enter your bank's routing and account numbers. Step 3. Now, create a new payment. Select Pay Bills. From the Vendors menu, choose the bill you want to pay, and opt for ACH as the payment method. Enter the amount, date, and any relevant details. Step 4. Review the payment details carefully. QuickBooks will show a preview. Double-check for accuracy to avoid errors. Once you're good, hit Send or Process Payment. QuickBooks will handle the rest, submitting the ACH request to your bank. Step 5. After sending, monitor the transaction under Banking, Reconcile, to ensure it processes successfully. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. A few quick tips. Always verify recipient details to prevent fraud, and keep an eye on any fees your bank might charge for ACH transactions. If you run into issues, check QuickBooks Help Center or contact support. There you have it. Sending ACH payments in QuickBooks Desktop is easier than you think. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.